Yun lang pala yung what do you cook? Because my mom asked me what she will cook. Okay. We cook today. Oh, today we cook, what is this? Chicken. What do you call that one? Chicken under, you see, this one, the, uh, what is that one? Onion. Under onion and sumac and chicken and put the olive oil and pomegranate and sumac molasses, chicken thigh. That's our food today. Then, if you want Mongolian beef, chicken, we cook Chinese food. Okay. Can you teach